Hey guys, what's up? This is Himanshu here and you're watching Developers Place. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can roll back from Windows 11 to Windows 10. Now, degrading from Windows 11 to Windows 10 is personally my choice. And yes, I will give you some concrete reasons for that too. But yeah, let me tell you that degrading from Windows 11, I'm not saying that Windows 11 is not good. It is good, but we know that each and every operating system, when it releases first, it needs some time to get fixed, right? We have many types of bugs and all, so it may take a month or 2 months or a couple of years, okay, to stabilize. So being a programmer, I understand the difficulties and the time which is required to fix a bug in such a big project which is being pushed to such a large number of audience, right? So now let me tell you some of my reasons that why I quitted from Windows 11 to Windows 10. Now the first reason is that my battery life went held down like anything. Like earlier it used to give me 5 to 6 hours of backup in a single charge cycle, but now it has been reduced from 5 to 6 hours to 3 to 4 hours. I mean a difference of 1 to 2 hours, and that is pretty much embarrassing. And the second thing was the right click of my mouse. I mean, it used to embarrass me so much that even I used to leave the task as it is. Let me show you that if I create a new file, okay, and if I try to release the file, and oh god, you just see the difficulty. Earlier we used to get the delete button over here, right, somewhere over here, and now see, we need to go to show more option and then delete. Then I say to myself, calm down baby, we are techie, right, and we know how to fix each and everything. So I just found a way to fix this problem of right click too. And if you want to learn how to fix this right click button, then make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that like button and drop a comment in the comment section below. And if I get around 20 to 30 thumbs ups in that comment, I'll definitely make a video on it. Now few of them may agree with me and some may not, but yeah, it's my duty to show you that how to degrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10. So let's move on to the video and let me show you that. So at first I'll be opening the setting, and over here I'll be going to systems, okay. So in systems I'll be going to recovery, and here it goes. So if you are watching this video before the 10th day from when you downloaded Windows 11, then this video is for you. And if the 10th day exceeds, then this method will not work, okay. So let me clear that before. So now here I just need to click on go back, and now some will say that does any kind of data loss is there. So let me show you my files too. So over here, as you can see in my vault, that I have used almost 100 gigs of memory in my Windows C and almost 6 to 7 gigs in my volume D. So let's see, after degrading, does our data get lost or not, okay. So we just go here back, see the second option, go back. If this version isn't working, try going back to Windows 10. So I'll just be clicking on go back, and let's see. Okay, we need to give some my app or device doesn't work. Windows 10 seem easier to use, okay. So Windows 10 seem easier to use. Check for updates before you go back by installing the latest update. This might fix the problem you are having. So check for updates, install now, okay. I need to install this update. So we have finally completed our update. Now I'll be showing you how to head back to Windows 10. So opening back our settings, system, and recovery. Okay, now we'll be clicking on this button, go back, and let's see. Yeah, it works. So what was my experience? Windows 10 seemed easier to use. And next. Okay, no thanks, I have updated. Next, next, and boom, we are in Windows 10. Let me show you. If you don't believe that, see, the right click, the taskbar, task manager, everything is that perfect and easier to use. Now the person who is using Windows 11 as its first operating system, I mean he has switched to the PC in Windows 11 itself, then he will have no such problem, right? But as an old user, as we have used Windows 10 earlier, so we know using Windows 10 is far much better than Windows 11, right? Again, I'm not saying that Windows 11 is not good. Okay, it is good, but yeah, it needs some improvement. And if Microsoft does that improvement, yeah, we'll surely head toward Windows 11. So for till then, we'll be using Windows 10. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel.